Guys, if you are going to buy VUKU, IKEA, I'm going to put them together. Sticks. I've already finished one actually. Can you see it? It's behind me. Now it's the second one. I'm going to put this one in a guest room. In the bag. If you're going to buy this one, the one behind me, you can follow me. The gray one, the red, and the red. Put them together. Done. And this is okay, like this. See it? And now fan out these 4 short sticks. And one here. You see it? Put it here. Insert the stick like this, the legs, and do you remember where? Here. This and this. And then we need the white stick. The white stick, connect them together. Yeah, like this. And then put it here. This bag. Put this one at the top of this bag. Let me show you. And put it at the top. Put it at the top. This is the top. Let me show you. I'm going to put it at the top of this wardrobe. But firstly, you have to check this one. That little triangle stuff. There are 4. There's 3 and 4. And make sure the stick, it's inside this triangle corner. It's protecting. So now I'm going to put them in, see, triangular corner. I'm gonna put all these sticks inside these 4 triangular corner. You see that? So yeah, give me a sec. I'm gonna put it. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then what? Check. We have some sticks like these. The clean stick, without this metal stuff, the clean one. Can you see it? You put it inside like this. And we need another one. Put it inside. You know, when you are doing this, maybe you will have one question. There are 2 holes. Can you see it? Maybe you will ask which hose should I insert first? The second one, not this first one, the second one. Always remember the downer hole. And we need this metal tube stick. There are 4 triangular corner at the bottom of this wardrobe. So I'm gonna put this stick in the triangular corner side and then connect these 2, or it's very difficult for you to do it. And yeah, just push it up. Oh shit! Let's try it again. Done. I put it inside. Can you see it? I put them together, and it's inside the triangular corner. I think you can see it, right? So I'm gonna finish the other 3. Put this stick inside the triangular corner and then connect them together. It's out. So I have to make sure it's inside the triangular corner and then put them together. Yeah, that's it. Cool. Okay, this is the trick, guys. See? It's very difficult to keep it in the triangular corner. How can you do it? When you put this together and hold this part, I'll show you there, okay? Or it will get out easily. And finish this one, this stick. Put this inside the triangular corner, and then see, with your right hand hold it and then put them together like this. 3, 2, 1, and push, push, push. That's it. It's inside this triangular corner. Let me show you. I know you're doubted, right? Let me show you. I just put it in this triangular corner. Can you see that? It's inside, and it's inside. All of them, they're inside. They're inside the triangular corner, so you will not break it easily. Okay, let me close this. Oh, look at it here. The red button. Get out of the button. Oh, okay. And on the right side, I think it's easy to carry. Whew. Which one should I put it inside? Whew. What do you think, guys? Cool? Oh, it's pretty cool. And I can also put something under, like at the pants, jeans maybe. Great, love it. Guys, if you are going to buy VUKU, IKEA, firstly I need to grab something to eat. I'm starving. Catch you later, guys.